So today, I'll show you how to make Demi Glace like sauce. It's not a proper one. If you really make it, it's gonna take how many days? But for this one, it'll take a couple of minutes. So it's a real quick and delicious one. This time, I'm using the hamburger meat mix from the one I made on the latest video. So while I'm cooking, I'm going to defrost it. The condiments for the brown sauce are red wine, Worcester sauce, soy sauce, ketchup, butter, onion, milk, and any kind of herbs. This time, I'm using L'Oreal. First of all, making the sauce. Stir fry finely chopped onion with butter. When it got soft, add red wine. Soy sauce and Worcester sauce. When it's boiled, add milk to make it mild. Then put ketchup and cook it until the taste gets nice and deep. Finally, L'Oreal to make it aromatic. Just keep cooking with very low heat. Meanwhile, making the Hamberg itself. This time, I make it with butter to make the taste deeper. Turn it over, and when it's nicely cooked, add this sauce into the same pan. Then put a lid on to steam it. It looks so yum yum. I wanna just dig in. Again, use a stick to check whether it's completely cooked and ready to eat. So, which one would you like the best? The Japanese-styled sauce or very easy demi-glace sauce? Please do not judge by just how it looks. I'd like you to try both of them out. Then you'd know which one is the best for you. I hope you like both of them. So, thank you for watching. See you!